Hey guys, welcome back Wolfpack. Today we are going to be playing a new game called C.A.T.S. And we have a guest here.
Yeah.
He's on the channel.
Yep.
Go ahead and check out his channel.
Immortal Blades.
And check out Immortal a Nuisance. I tricked him with the name. He doesn't know what the name is. Ooh. You know, a nuisance means like not wanted.
I'm going along with you.
Okay, well, I'm watching this funny thing. Watching the World Championship. Dreaming to participate. Since it's your birthday, I have a present for you. It's not my birthday. Why are you so sad? Aren't you happy to see your Uncle Tony? Hi, Uncle Tony. Sorry for being away all these years, but that's what happens when you owe a lot of money to bad guys. Wait, is he part of the mafia? Now let's open the container. Happy birthday, Soulful Wolf. Guys, it's a birthday present for us.
Mine says happy birthday,
Ghost
Rider.
Congratulations on your first fighting machine. Let's install the rocket launcher. Yeah! What uncle gives you a rocket launcher?
I know.
I like this uncle. Hey, what are you waiting for? Get in there. Looking good. Now let's win some new parts for our machine. Okay, I'm going to... You. Remember, you don't control the machine. It fights automatically. Your job is to assemble the best machine out there.
Who's gonna win?
I'm winning. I
I'm
got
winning.
I got him on the ground, guys.
So do I.
Oh, dude, we're actually fighting people that are actually against us. We're actually fighting random people. Your machine won. You've been rewarded with your first supply box. Contains new parts that will help to improve your machine. Take it. I have 1,000 coins. Supply boxes are sealed pretty well. It takes time to open them. Uncle Tony, open now for free. Wait, did you get it for free too?
Yeah.
Classic.
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw?
I got chainsaw.
Drill. I got a chainsaw.
I got chainsaw.
Did you also get drill?
No.
I got chainsaw, drill. Oh, I got a tire.
Go back to the
I got
editing.
scooter. I got Titan. Rocket. Sneaky.
Titans are the best.
Really?
No, that's the best.
That's classic.
That's the best.
Really?
Yeah. I got
Pretty
a classic
cool, right?
too.
Keep winning, quick fight. And don't forget to visit the garage. Okay, tap to edit. So,
No, that stuff in the back of the car.
wait, this one, Ryder?
Bring in
This is classic.
because
Oh, wait, what's? Oh, this is classic.
Yeah. No. You click it and then drag it. No, it.
Oh,
right
you
there.
actually drag it? Oh,
Yeah.
sweet. Okay, now we have to design our entire car. Okay, I'll put this
I'm
sucker.
getting my chainsaw.
And a son.
Does it reach? Don't tell me it doesn't reach. It doesn't reach.
We have to have a ranged weapon, don't we?
You don't have to.
No, I'm saying right now where it won't reach.
Yeah.
Can the drill reach? Nope. Holy crap, an extra long drill. Oh, but it's still not enough. Oh, wait, Ryder, we can do this.
I don't have enough power.
Ryder, we can do this.
What?
If they try driving on top of us.
I don't have that.
You didn't get it?
Cody, let's go.
Ryder, I got an
Come on,
extra
Cody.
long drill.
Outside, go. Get your butt outside.
Still doesn't work.
Eyes are burning. But yeah, I'm doing the same thing you're doing.
This. Ryder, you do have it. You're using it right now.
What? That?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have that. Oh, those wheels aren't big enough.
This one?
Yeah, you have to use the other wheels.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause this real quick.
Sorry, my eyes are burning.
Okay. Well, guys, he went a little bit ahead because, you know. Wait, dude, how'd you set yours up right there?
What?
Wait, was yours set up? Oh, wait, this is the front? Is that where you set yours up?
that's not long enough. I'm sorry, dude. That's not.
Wait, that's
long
what you
enough.
just put on yours. How
I
did
know.
you manage to do that?
I have a different one.
I'm gonna
the
use
Titan.
this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the best.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you said the classic was the best. Oh, wait, right.
No,
I
I
can
mean-
use the drill now.
Yeah.
That's actually really good, isn't it?
Wait, the drill is 13. This is
30.
17.
That's 30.
What? Yeah. So you glad?
Yep. Ryder, check
Do
out
you
my...
want to see something, dude? Where is it? I might not have it.
Wait, actually, I want to trade these.
Oh, dang it, you don't have it yet.
What?
Something.
Alright, I only have one huge wheel.
What?
Then do this.
Oh, do two
It
tiny
works.
wheels?
It works.
What are you talking about?
It works.
That works
That's
good?
better.
Form
Yeah,
better?
because it's.
Oh, yeah, I'll lean forward and...
Yeah, the front's supposed to be facing down so you
What
don't
about some
tip up.
cornbread?
Okay,
I got none.
Yeah, we do.
there. Before you go, I have a small gift for you.
And dude, look, I'm really good because it has like that thing.
There's a one that's in
Okay.
the thing.
To,
Take
like,
this
put-
sticker.
to, like,
It'll
push
make
them up
your
and,
fighting
like-
machine look
I saw
special.
it yesterday.
Hey, Ryder, look. I got... Is that an Ewok? I'm going with Ewok, man. No
Or a
unicorns.
unicorn.
I'm going Ewok. You know what I want to say?
I'm waiting for you for the.
Ewok.
I'm waiting for you for
Check
the
out
reading.
to see it in battle. Right here? Wait. So, okay. Do I just have to complete it one more time?
You gotta complete it 2 more times.
Okay.
That's
Dude,
right.
look at this.
It's either
I've
2
already
or
won,
3.
Ryder.
Yeah.
Dude,
Chainsaw's good. Chainsaw is the best, dude.
Oh, wait. So, so me and you got good?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I just got to get a 2-win streak.
3, I think.
Oh!
Yeah, I did that, dude. Yeah, I did
Ryder,
that.
I'm
dude,
already
and then-
winning. I've already won.
Yeah.
What are y'all playing?
We're playing cats. Stage 1 championship. Want to get on TV and fight in the finals? And to do the first stage of the championship.
I'm going in it.
1. You'll have to beat 20 to the finals. 1. Click 1, Ryder. Oh, wait. You can't do it yet. Can you? I'm in 11th place. What place are you in? You're in first. Wait, I want to see this. You're not in first, are you? I don't see you. I'm in
Yeah, I'm
11th.
the champion.
3, 2, 1. Ryder, hurry. Fight. Fight. Oh, I'm fighting some guy named U-Toy. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, I just
Dude, look, we're stuck. Ryder, we're stuck.
Just had 50 attack.
Oh, crap. Oh, dude, it insta-kills you if you touch one of those?
Yeah. This dude just had 50 attack though.
Kendall, will you please take your shoes off? Because you have mud all over the bottom of them.
I do?
Yes, sir, you do.
Okay, I'll take them off.
Mud is not poop.
It's not poo for sure. Because I had mud earlier. A few days ago,
Ooh.
actually. Oh, dude, I won this one.
I hate these
Boom.
rocket launcher people.
Okay, I got 1 win so far.
I got 1 win so far too.
Hey,
These people are hard.
He's ready to come back in.
Hurry, do it. Oh, crap, I almost won. I almost pushed him to
did
the
it.
outside.
I got 2 times.
Dude, these people are so small. This guy doesn't have a weapon, though, so I'm obviously going to win. Because my thing.
You can push him.
Yeah, and my building, and my thing's more
Will you
overpowering.
please?
Yeah, I did it.
2 wins. Dude, it's the same guy.
Steve McGarrett.
Yeah, that happened to
Say
me.
T. McGarrett or Steve McGarrett? I think you said T.
So, win 3
McGarrett.
fights.
There you go.
In America.
Okay, guys, you won 3 fights. You've been instantly promoted to the next stage.
That's what Jerry calls
I'm
it.
waiting for you.
Congrats on winning the first championship stage. Okay. So, me and you are on 2 now? You've unlocked the more powerful parts. Oh, Ryder, should I do
Illuminati.
cat? Strong-
I'm doing Illuminati.
Lucky? I'm gonna do
Illuminati.
the cat. Oh, super box.
Legendary box.
Ryder,
I got legendary.
Ryder, check this out. Sneaky. I got sneaky too.
Plus 100% on Scooter.
I have scooter. I got sneaky. Plus 30% on knob. Titan
Plus
again.
20 health
Classic.
on Boulder.
Roller. Stinger.
Plus 30% when
Blade.
on
On your
Classic.
side of the bed.
Chainsaw.
I just went to go plug up my phone.
Plus 20%
Either Cody or Maylene.
Power Oh,
Probably
yeah.
fucking Maylene.
Dude, this is epic.
Already, man? 2.
Wait,
Probably
no,
needs
I'm
to get out.
customizing my vehicle.
Yeah, we should probably both do that, shouldn't
She's
we?
become a
I know you're
little
using your
bitch
get back
lately.
in fights, but let's improve your. You can use some unused parts.
Yeah. Parts that you don't want to use. You
Wait,
can
I
save
have
it.
double. I have 2 Titans. Choose the part you want to improve. Wait, can I just improve? Wait, can I?
I don't want to use that wheel. Okay, whatever. I'll use that wheel.
I don't care about that wheel. You know what, dude? Wait, can I fuse? Oh crap!
Yes,
What?
dude, this is so good. Yes. It does. No, look how much damage it does.
Wait, that's sneaky. Wait, dude.
No, this is classic.
Sick of this.
Wait, this?
What?
This is classic. Is this classic?
Half gallon of orange juice last night.
What's
I thought you were
scooter?
drinking it today.
Well, Amber was allowed to drink it, but the whole thing is fucking gone.
Ryder, is this good? Ryder, is
I
this
didn't
the one you're
even
using?
open it. Like, I
'Cause this
had
is sneaky,
left
Ryder.
it in there.
Yeah, sneaky. See?
And
You said it was classic.
I was using
none of
classic.
it's left.
Now I'm using
Oh.
sneaky.
Toby. Hey, Toby.
One time I got so much
I
freaking,
love you.
so much stickers that like
'Cause I
You know how
made,
we feel.
I had to cover up
making
stickers.
an eggs this morning. And toast and, Mary made tea for everybody, and then she came upstairs with a glass of orange juice. So.
Now you know how we feel. When we go get something, and we know.
I've known how you feel. You understand? I can never get me something of my
Look how much
own,
health I have.
That's why I
because it's
said.
always
Dude, he got me a new super
Man,
part.
you're so stingy
You
with
got
stuff.
a new-
It's
Wait, what?
fine.
How?
Because
I
if
see you
don't-
got a new
bag of
super
chips,
part.
I didn't
Oh
even
wait,
put
I have
some
a new
Oh.
super part. I know a guy who can turn any of your regular parts into a super part.
Ooh.
All you need to do is make a bet.
Salt and vinegar chips the other
That
day.
is
You brought
him.
them the other day, other morning.
For dinner.
Dude, are we on the same bet?
Yeah, I didn't.
I think so. Is this it?
Yes, we're doing the same bet. Which one do you bet on?
Pizza instead of
This guy, does more damage and has the same health.
Yeah. So which part do you want to get better?
Wait, I can bet parts.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm going to bet a Titan since I have 2 of them. Can I bet a Titan?
You're gonna have to check because I fell
You
asleep.
drag
I
it.
might have missed 2 of them.
Yeah. I'm betting like plus 30% win on classic.
Are you sure you want to bet one part? Yes.
Well, I know better than the name.
What did you bet?
I bet a weapon.
You don't stop.
Wait, dude, who should we bet on this?
I couldn't
What?
help it.
Who should we bet on this one?
You have to bet 3 parts though.
On these?
Yeah.
Ooh, this guy has a better 10% chance. So I will. I will.
No, this dude.
I saw that
Dude,
when
no,
he killed
this
the
dude's
bull
gonna
cat.
win.
I saw that
Look how much you vote for him
I saw when he
over
killed the
him.
bull
That's just bets.
I know, but this dude's gonna win.
It said he has a better percent chance.
I'm sorry, but this dude's gonna win.
Goddamn, well, you watch these
You have to
things like
bet 3
crazy.
parts.
I love him.
I bet him. Okay. Now you experienced enough to join a gang.
Wait, I'm betting
Ryder?
mine.
Ryder,
What?
What are you gonna do? I know what I was gonna say.
What?
you join a gang.
Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna create our gang. Okay. Oh wait,
I
do I have
just
enough?
bet 3 freaking weapons. So and if you don't win, then you lose weapons.
I mean, whatever you bet.
Yeah. Okay, what did you click on?
Dude, I'm making it.
Create. I mean,
No, I'm
not
creating.
create,
You're gonna join. You wanna join mine?
Yeah.
I'll tell you whenever it's made.
Friends. Connect to Facebook.
I
Lost.
smell nothing but fucking piss in our room.
Lost.
All I smell is piss.
Gang name lost what?
Just lost.
Lost something.
All
Lost wolf.
I had to open the windows.
I'm gonna connect with Facebook.
Wait. Mommy, that's Carly wife. Carly, you tried to keep steak food, man.
I know you're excited about breakfast.
Are you? You gotta get the fuck out of my way, Cody.
So that's what it's
I'm not so sure with his family because it's the same kind of shit you drive.
Okay, never mind. I ain't got enough gems.
Puppy.
Join. So we should join the same
Been
thing.
locked up.
Wait.
Yes,
We'll connect to
All right,
Facebook.
y'all. This is my show here.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Dude, I forgot I was doing a YouTube video. Sorry guys, I forgot about you. Don't.
You're gonna have to pause it because you don't want them knowing your.
Oh, it's okay. I don't give a crap. Because I don't even have to type in my stuff.
Oh, I do. Why?
Because my thing's used to it.
No. Let her eat though.
I'm so full. I'm my only friend. Don't you forget about me. You'll be added as soon as you join.
Boom. Enter 5-digit code
Oh, dude.
from your SN.
Let's join this one.
What? 5-digit code from. Oh, it just sent me it.
Hey, Ryder, let's join this gang once you're on.
Alright. 5.
Ryder, we should join this one. Okay?
55751.
Never mind, it's full. You know what? I'm going to search up Wolfpack.
So it's 55751.
Wolfpack's full.
5.
Is there that Wolfpack?
751. 75.
Wolves. Dang, a lot of people love wolves. So,
You want to?
What? Dude?
yeah, I know.
What?
I haven't rendered you yet
How am I your friend?
because we're friends on Facebook.
I'm fighting you!
Really? I want to fight you. Oh, here I am. Oh, never mind. No, I'm not. Okay, give me a second. See if you can. I want to see if you can beat me.
Wait, dude, this thing's going on.
Wait, what?
This thing's going on, I think. Yeah, watch. I'm so, look, who wins?
Look, tap to watch. Let's see who won.
Told ya.
We both clicked the same guy.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yes, we won. Alright, now who's gonna, oh, this one hasn't done yet. It's 4 hours. Alright, so, which one do you think on this one? This one?
I don't know.
This one definitely. Look,
Wait, dude, what if it showed something different on mine? Dude, he beat him so easily.
I know, but this
You
one
just have to
definitely-
watch it to get your stuff.
I know. But this one definitely, dude, right? This one.
Yeah, because of his damage. Ooh, how do you get 2 things?
What?
He has 2 things.
Yeah, because it's of the kind of thing he's using.
He's using Titan. Ryder, I got something with 2.
What?
I found something. I have a sneaky with 2.
He's good. That was work. I gotta go. Okay, we can get ourselves to the hotel.
I just bet a wheel.
Nice to meet you.
There's a person. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Alright, dude. On this, there's a cat, and then you can upgrade stuff. So, like, since you're Titan, you should do power for Titan.
There's something off. What do you mean off? There's a retired teacher. He tips like a
Surfer, no.
can't take it with you.
Increase health of all.
Oh crap! I can only use things that are doubled up as this. It's 1 star.
Okay, this is Stinger.
They should be rough.
Yes, it's a Stinger. I know what I'm gonna do.
You were looking for trouble. What? You were really concerned?
Yes.
I would say maybe put somebody on it. Easier right.
Bonus coins, give
Oh,
coins.
Mr. Conspiracy.
From
Mind
supply
for
boxes.
sure.
Give bonus coins from supply.
Hey,
Gives
so
bonus
victims' names are David and
coins
Kate
for
Hill.
selling
Looks like
parts.
they were sitting down to watch some TV and someone came
Increase
in the
health
back
of
with
all
a shotgun.
boosters. I don't know what booster is.
That's how fast you go.
Hollow core slugs.
Oh.
Designed with maximum damage.
How do you know that?
Before massacre.
Because that's what boost means.
Also, astute suspect detective abilities.
Wait, I'm already watching it, dude. Watch. Who's gonna win? Him.
I know.
Yeah, definitely him. Oh, what? What the heck? He's still moving. He's
still wins.
still moving.
Ryder, can
Yeah?
y'all drink any of the orange juice that was downstairs?
No. We sat on the couch.
They have enough cup. They didn't drink tea.
Okay.
Well, there's Ryder. Now, where's your cup, Ken?
Fingerprints, no DNA.
I already drank mine and I put it
Oh,
away.
dude, this dude again. Definitely. Just look at his damage and health.
Yeah.
And he has a ranged weapon, plus healing.
They've been down here before.
Slept at a friend's house.
But dude,
HPD
do you know what you gotta think about? This can flip him over.
Williams. Why can't we go inside?
Gotta think about that. Who do you think's gonna win?
I don't really care.
When was the last time your boy saw your parents?
Dude, I have too much power on it, so I can't put another weapon on it because my weapons are powerful.
Okay, you guys.
Oh, dude, if you get a certain win streak, you unlock crap. Oh crap, Ryder, who do you think's gonna win?
For what?
I'm Eugene Goodman, family attorney.
What?
He has way more health, but I better attack.
Were obviously destroyed.
Wait, this guy's way out of my league. Why am I fighting him? Oh crap, I don't got wheels.
Call my office, make an be present.
Dang it. And I just lost my streak because I didn't have wheels. Curse you, Kendall. You know, I'm gonna put this really huge wheel. Ryder, is that good? Ryder, good luck for them flipping me. Oh wait, if I do not so powerful weapons, I can add multiple.
Never been in any trouble before, and there's no records of them purchasing a shotgun or shells.
But as it turns out, there's a whole lot of people who would have wanted to see David Kaylor dead.
How many's a whole lot?
250.
Ryder, I have a drill and
David Kaylor made his money as an investment banker, and he was very successful for a long time. But then the economy took a downturn.
Dude, look how much damage I do.
Rather than deal with unhappy clients, he tried to cover them.
wait, what's that black thing?
Of course, all felt
That?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got that. And this.
this company went bankrupt.
What's
This.
this?
Some of the prison.
Wait, what's that, Ryder? This?
U.S. Attorney's Office.
What's that?
He would have been arrested.
That. Oh yeah, you don't have it.
How do you get it?
What?
How do you get it?
You actually forgot. I literally did. No joke. Oh yeah, I'm winning. I'm winning. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, 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 yes. Boom! Get flipped over.
I know my best friend's dad stole my money.
Dude, this is so good. Cause I can just yes.
Dude, should I do my drill or my chainsaw?
Bruh. No, you're not flipping me over. You're okay. You're flipping me over. I've just lost.
Isn't this Winters?
It is, but there's no point in putting it on her when it's
Somehow.
What about the check situation around the cable?
Ryder, who do you think's gonna win this time?
Darren swept the kids today.
Busted security out the front.
Who do you guys vote on? Okay, so it's either me or him. I'm winning. Neither of us are winning. Ryder, I'm gonna win. Thank you guys for believing in me. Ryder, I just won.
He was gonna win unless he flipped over.
I flipped him easily. Because the larger your die is, it's easier to flip them over. For me, it is at least. Okay. Oh crap! What's that?
Bro, I
Thing he's
just
got in his
completed
front?
the second championship.
Oh crap! You flipped me. Oh, once you get hit in your head, you lose.
I just got a box. Peace symbol.
Is that? You got shrooms.
Peace symbol. Legendary box again. Bigfoot.
Okay, guys. I gotta defeat this guy.
Classic.
Ha! Easy.
Attack toolbox.
Aww. Okay, maybe I should use my drill. Because I keep dying because they have longer weapons.
This is gonna be so cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna start using my drill instead. But my long.
I don't know how to cause this.
You know what, Ryder? I'm using my drill just because it's longer.
You know why this is on the floor?
What is that?
It's a battery. I just didn't know if you guys were playing
No,
anything that had batteries.
we weren't.
There's no clear picture of the drive, but I ran
So
the
I'm
plate.
putting it in there because I don't know if it's good or not.
No, that's not the one I want.
Ryder, I started using the drill because people who do have the chainsaw, this idiot doesn't have a back wheel. Dude, why is everybody so easy to... Ryder, I figured out it's really good to use the very long drill.
What?
It's good to use the very
that's
long
what I've been
drill.
using. But dude, look how much damage I do.
Ryder, look at this. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, I've lost. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I failed you guys. Now, what's this? Bonus coins, get bonus coins. So, Ryder, how did you get that? Was it just in a box?
What?
Was that the thing you have just in a box or something?
What?
Ryder, there's one person left that can beat my championship. You wanna
I'm
join?
leveling this up a lot. Wait, what?
Dude, there's one slot left in the championship.
What do you mean? What championship are you in?
The second one.
Yeah, I'm in third.
Wait, oh, okay, I'll just beat this one real quick, yeah?
Yeah.
Fight everyone. I have to fight everybody? Oh crap, I'm right on top of this guy. This is no fair.
I was selling him some weed.
Oh crap.
Sometimes we're looking to make the
I already know who's winning.
beach.
Oh dude, this guy's gonna die. Ryder, look, I win. This guy's a little roll boat, Ryder. He's a boat. No boat allowed.
Dude, this is level 6.
I'll win. Dude, oh crap, he flipped me. No fair.
Oh man, this day is the worst. Today's worse than when Mr. Kalo stole $500,000 from me.
Yes!
He blew my college fund. So what? Dad's got plenty more where that came from.
They should make it to where you can actually control them, shouldn't they? Like so you can do certain things.
Yeah.
Okay, genius, we still have to know
Alright,
where you
I'm
were.
doing championship number 3.
Wait, don't do it without me. I'm about to be on championship number 3. I've got to defeat one more guy. You gotta win 12 fights in that one.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try it. Probably not gonna do it, but I'm just gonna try it.
Oh wait, I'm fighting Nick. Oh my god, I'm fighting my friend. Dude, that's my friend.
I just realized how much damage I did.
Ryder, I just murdered one of my friends.
62 damage!
I murdered one of my friends who play this.
I do 62 damage.
Thank you for bringing Ty home. I promise I'll speak to him about the drugs. Although, in Colorado,
I'm killing Batman, Ryder.
Not if you're 21 and not to sell.
Killed that dude in like a second.
it's been hard on Ty. Both my kids, their father leaving last year, so...
Dude, I'm definitely gonna do this. Never mind.
I think I gotta
I
win
didn't realize
5.
how OP I was.
I get it. You think maybe
I just
your
killed
friend
somebody
or
with
mother.
3,000 health.
I disagree. You don't cover for yourself.
And 300.
I'm in 4th place.
I understand.
We spoke to your lawyer. Well,
Look at this
tried to
guy.
say they didn't take Ty's car.
Oh, dude, this isn't fair. I don't like those people. Because you literally can't
Look
hurt
at the
them.
boat. No boats allowed.
Ryder, I hate the people that you can't hurt because they, as soon as you touch them,
This dude
they fly
has
on
the
top of
Titan
you.
with the Illuminati.
Was there,
Ryder, these guys instantly flip you. I want to be one of those. As soon as you contact them, you instantly flip.
I know, I have that, dude. Wow, it's just a wow. Because nobody's moving, but you're winning because he's closer to the wall.
Nothing was worth doing.
Yeah, because the walls move in.
What?
Because the walls move in.
Dude, skateboard or bullet?
was more sensitive.
I would use the bullet.
She
Oh
had
crap!
conscience.
Okay.
I don't see how this works.
Now I got a super box.
No, 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 no!
Bigfoot, boulder, roller, tire, classic, again, forklift. That's the one that flips him over. Forklift.
Forklift is?
Uh-huh.
Oh no, I'm right. I'm talking about his skin. I mean, the main character.
Classic. It's classic. I
This
have
one?
classic.
It's this one,
Are
dude.
you enjoying the game so far? Yes.
Put her in a cold
No, I'm
shower.
not
She
reading
came
it.
around and I told her you need to be strong for your sons. Think about them. She promised me that she would.
What do you need help
All
with?
3 of them were so close. That's the thing. The horrible way that she died. The violence. There's no way that those boys could have done that to her. No way.
That woman was a hot mess. Think so? She makes a good point. Maybe the kids hated their dad. Why would they kill their mom? Look, with the government taking everything, there's zero inheritance, right? So money is a motive.
Sir, how are you? Take him outside. Don't go out in the yard.
Right again.
Yes, sir.
Your aunt's fiance, Leonard Cassano, is not retired shopkeeper in Queens, New York. His full name is Bruce Leonard Cassano.
Wow.
Wait, Ryder, you can edit your character.
I know, I just noticed that.
The Leone family in New York. And
Guard. Yes. How do you choose it? Guard.
Wait, you're using that one too?
I can't do it though.
You gotta drag it down.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Please do.
Okay. Well, I'm trying to.
An eye patch.
I'm trying to find out what I want to unlock later. Oh God, I'm a prisoner. Right, I'm a prisoner.
I'm a prisoner too with the iPad.
Do we have the same character?
I don't know. Wow.
Hey, well, I'm on quick fight. I meant to do championship.
Wait, no. I'm not fighting it.
Yeah, I still won.
Forklift. Now they will flip easier.
Oh, I have to win 9 fights?
I have to win 14. What are you complaining about?
Because these guys keep flipping me. Wait, I have the same car as them. Why is it flipping me? Oh wait, no, they have a larger one somehow.
No, don't you dare. We both tried to flip each other and they died.
Wait, what? Ryder, I killed him first. Die, Jonathan, die.
What? He has 2 weapons. And I still won.
I strongly advise you not to participate.
I advise you to shut up.
I advise you to shut up.
Look, somewhere out there is the guy who killed us.
Screw you, Maverick.
And you're not even looking for it. We're following the evidence. And you want evidence that...
Wait, what? We were using the same exact weapon, and for some reason his did more damage.
He upgraded it.
So fine. We'll take it. Alright, Travis.
I almost got flipped. Bro, I've won every fight that I've done so far. I've won every single fight so far.
Oh, alright. Look at Jake's confidence. See the look on Travis's face?
No!
How does that work?
Okay, but pass or fail. I hate polygraphs.
Wait, you guys start going backwards?
I know, and his goes all around.
Let's see how far he'll go to get out. By the way, I need to take it out.
No!
Borrow Jake's, is that right? I gotta go talk to my aunt Deb.
What? He does 170 damage?
Just my opinion. Well, you do good luck. Good luck. Lawyer, so we can use this room. Need anything while you wait?
Die. He does 170 damage, bro!
Good for him.
Look at this!
I'm trying to see if this would work right here. Ryder, my largest wheel doesn't work. What is wrong with this?
Did you take Ty Gable's car last night? No. Is your name Jake Keloha? Yes. Did you kill your parents?
Oh wait, I can still move. But I can't attack. Ryder, look. This is funny. Look at what's happening. Look at what's happening. Die. I'm happy for these boxes, kind of. Wait, how do you get...
Oh, honey, thank you so much, but I had lunch already. I can't.
For my delicious shrimp casserole. Since you were so rude and denied the opportunity of Thanksgiving.
I'm pretty sure she said she's full. You know what? I'll take it. I got some of those shrimp bucks left over from the poker game. Good for 2 to 4 every day.
How do you earn the gems, though?
What?
How do you earn gems, man? Oh, crap. Dude, I've been doing this for over half an hour. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. We will do this in a follow-up vid in like 3 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. This is Soulful Wolf. Bye.